Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make a draft email to send later. So, what is a draft email? Now, a draft email, it is a saved copy so that you still have not sent yet. So, that email has not been sent yet, but it has been saved so that you can just compose it later. So, to learn more details about the draft email, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am in my Outlook. So first of all, I'm going to click on new email. Now I'm going to send it to the info at the text up for you. The subject will be let's say the early leave. So now I can just say hi. So now let's say I want to add the reason, but I'm going to do that later. So what I'm going to do is click on close, and just if it says want to save your changes, I'm going to click on yes. So now if I expand my inbox, I will see beside the drafts there is one. So now if I open it, so this is the draft, that is the early leave that I just created. This is the email, this is the text. So now I can just edit more things. So this is how you can just simply the email, you can edit the draft email, and if you click on send, you will be able to send the drafted email. So let me just click on send. So now the email has been sent. So this is how you can just draft an email, edit the draft, and send the drafted email. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to make a draft email to send later. So thank you for watching.